Hi, my name is Gabriela from TulipArt Designs, and on this channel we are getting creative. I'm teaching you watercolor sketching techniques and giving you ideas for your free time. Today I will show you how to make two bookmarks. They are kind of Valentine's Day related, so if you don't have a gift for your loved one, get him a book and make him special bookmark. So if you are ready, let's get started. For today's video I have my watercolor set. I have a round brush. I have size number 10, but I guess 8, 12 will also do the job. I have drawing pen and it's water based. The pigment ink fine liner, so it is water resistant, which means that when you add watercolor on top of it, then the black lines will not bleed in your watercolor. Then I have 2 jars of water, and I have these leftovers because I usually buy big sheets of watercolor paper, 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐿, so it's a professional one, 100% cotton, and I have some leftovers, and then I use them to make nice handmade bookmarks. I think this here I will use for my cards, but this one can help me just make a nicer design for my bookmarks, including a nice finished touch with this rope. So the extra supply that is completely not art supply at all is this toilet paper cardboard. So I wanted to make it extra easy, and we will try to make a shape as a heart out of this one. So you will squeeze this part here just on one side, and you will try on the other side to do the same. So let's just do it this way, but then this one here we will want to bring it to the inside part, so you could see that it becomes as a heart shape. Let me zoom in to make sure that you can see. So let's say that it's something like this. Okay, so I could see that on this side it's not really nice, but I like it on this side more, so like this. And then I will mix lots of red here. I already have some leftover paints, so let's see if we can really use them and create a nice red, or maybe it will be a bit too much. We never know. I will just mix more red here, and I need it to be more concentrated. Okay. And I will show you 2 different techniques, and of course you can decide which one you like more. They are both quite easy. Or maybe I will show you 2 different designs. Let's see. You know, I never really have big plans and scripts, but I really want to show you how we can get creative. Okay, let's say that this is quite enough. We'll wash my brush and we'll leave it here on the side. So this I will just get some paint here like this. It's a little bit of a mess, and then I will start making some hard shapes. Maybe they will not be completely finished, and I am following. Wait, I need more here. Yes, like this. Okay, and one more over here. Now, before this is dry, I will grab my brush with some water inside, and I will just go roughly and let this paint bleed. You see? Just like this. So with clean brush and some water, I am not bothered if there are some white spots. Okay, so just like this. I will leave this to dry and I will make this one. I already have some splatters, but that's okay. I will do kind of the same thing, and I will add one heart over here. I have no idea how this happened. So you could see that I have now here lots of paint, and then it's on my, so this I'm not sure if I can teach you, but the thing is that when I am getting more paint, you could see that, you know, when you get some soap. But to be honest, I was not really planning to have such a result, but it's quite nice. And let's add one here. Now with some water, I want to just do a few brush strokes like this to the side and let this bleed. So I'm literally using clean water and adding some brush strokes to create kind of a loose background. Okay, also here. So you could see that when the paint, the hearts are still wet, the paint just bleeds immediately, and it's quite nice. Okay, for this one I think I will just make a few splatters just like this. So I hold my brush horizontally and I tap on top of it just like this. Okay, I need this to dry before I add some ink work, otherwise I will just ruin my pen. So make sure that this is dry and then we can add some extra details. I have my heat gun to speed up the process, but if you don't have one, that's okay. Just grab a coffee or have a break. Okay, now I think these are completely dry. So what I want to do is to add a few sketchy outlines. So I just go very sketchy 1-2 times like this, and I'm just drawing rough sketchy style hearts, And for this you really don't need any drawing skills. Just like this, you see? And it's always super nice when you combine ink lines with watercolor. For me it always feels very relaxing. I hope it's also for you like this, but I guess if you are here then you definitely feel something similar. Okay, also here. And I will prepare outline templates of this in case you want to sketch without using such thing, you know, but then you use the outlines and directly add watercolor and some sketching lines. And the templates will be on my Patreon as usual, so if you are a member there you will be able to download them. Okay, I think this will be it. I want to make a nice hole here on the top, so let's see, this is some random size. I will have to stand up. Yeah, you can see now this is quite nice. Let me just make the other one as well. And I am also trying not to hit my camera. Okay. So these are quite nice, and I think I will add something as a nice finish. You can also add a date here, a name, or a special text, whatever you like, if you want to make this more personal. But always a book is a nice gift. So adding this handmade bookmark to it will definitely make it special. And Valentine's Day is always a nice theme and reason to give a book to your loved one. Okay, so that's it. I hope you liked it. So let's just switch the camera so I can wrap up. I hope you really liked this video, and I hope you will try this. They are quite easy and quite fun. So I want to thank you for being here and watching the video. I hope that you learned something and you had fun. Please consider subscribing for my channel so you will not miss any of the coming videos, and check out all the other platforms where I share tons of content on a daily basis. So I will see you next week when I will show you two very simple last minute Valentine's Day cards and designs. So make sure to check it out. See you next week. Bye.